बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। स्वागत है आप सबका स्टडी विद उषमा चैनल पे। आज हम 8th क्लास का चैप्टर नंबर 4 द कॉलोनियल ईरा इन इंडिया के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। ठीक है, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज colonialism? गिव 3 डिफरेंट डेफिनेशन बेस्ड ऑन हिज चैप्टर और योर नॉलेज। आंसर है, फर्स्ट है कि पॉलिटिकल डेफिनेशन। Colonialism is a system where a powerful country take control of another country and rule it. Second, economic definition. Colonialism is the exploitation of the resources, labor and market of a weaker country for the benefit of the colonizing country. Third, social culture definition. Colonialism is when the ruler try to impose their language, religion, education, and way of life on the people of the colonized countries. Question number 2. Colonial ruler often claim that their objective was to civilize the people they ruled. Based on the evidence in this chapter, was this true in the content of India? Why or why not? Answer है no. This was not true. The claim of civilizing was just an excuse to hide the real motive of exploitation. Evidence: economics exploitation. British drained India's wealth through high taxes, raw material export and deindustrialization. Second, racism. Indians were treated as inferior and were not given equal right or high posts in administration. Third, benefit to British. Railways, telegraph and education were introduced mainly to help British trade and administration, not for the welfare of Indians. So the main goal was profit and control, not civilization. Question number 3. How was the British policy of making India a colony different from earlier European power like the Portuguese or French? Answer है, the British policy was different in 3 ways. First, extent of control. Portuguese and French had only small coastal trading center. The British established political and administrative control over almost the entire India. Second, economic policy. Earlier power came mainly for trade. The British transformed India economy to serve British industry. They made India a supplier of raw materials and a market for British goods. Third, duration and depth. British rule lasted for 200 years and changed India's administration, law, education, and social structure deeply. Earlier power did not do this. Question number 4. Indians paid for their own repression. What does this statement mean in the content of British infrastructure project like railway and telegraph? Answer है, this means that Indians were forced to pay for the things that were used to control them. First, funding. The money for building railway and telegram line came from taxes paid by Indians. Second purpose, these projects were not built for Indians. Railway were used to transport raw material to port and British goods to interiors. Telegraph was used by the British to control administration and army. Third, profit. Even after Indians paid for it, the profit from railways went to British companies. So Indians funded the very system that was used to suppress them. Question number 5. What does the phrase divine and rule mean? How was it used by the British in India? Give example. Answer at divine and rule is a policy of creating division among people so that they fight with each other and the ruler can easily control them. How British use in India with example. Hindu Muslim divine. British gave separate electoral to Muslim in 99 and supported communal organization to create districts. Second, caste divide. They conduct caste-based census and give preference to some caste in job and army to create division. Third, class divide. Jamidar were favored over peasants and rich Indians were given small posts to create a class loyal to British. The policy weakened and the unity of Indians and helped British rule for a long time. देखिए इस चैप्टर के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, साथ ही और बच्चों को भी शेयर करें ताकि बच्चों को इसका फ़ायदा मिल सके। और आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं कि आपको क्वेश्चंस के आंसर कैसे लगे। ठीक है, तो आज की वीडियो बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।